Hi, just an update on the strip down of the Cavalier. I've been taking out the cables at the back of the dashboards. So these are cable ties that are clipped onto the back of the dashboard, these ones here. There's one there as well, and there's also one in here. So I was actually using this to get them off, this wee pick thing. So what I was doing was, it's a bit of a fiddle, but I was pushing up under it and unlocking the little tab and then just pushing the cable through just to keep these in place, so I don't want to break them and all stuff. So I was working my way around, there's cables here and there's a couple of cable ties here as well. If you can see that, up here, here and one here. And there was one on this bit here that I'd taken off. I just broke that off because it was just a cheap one, like a kind of standard cable tie. So let's get that off. Let's see, there's actually a bar as well. If you look down here, there's a bar, it goes from here, this bar here. So that goes that way, goes up to here. You can see that. You don't really need to take that off, but there's the cables all around it and the tie wraps. It's right up in here, and I couldn't get into this. There's a tie wrap at the back, and I couldn't get right into this tie wrap with that in the way, so I just took it off. And there's a bit of the radio area will come off. Right, so taking all the cables off here, took the fuse box out and the fuse box cover, which is this bit, and that just pushes through. And I don't think I need to take this off the ignition switch, because if I remember rightly, this just comes right over. And then there's a couple of screws I think up here, pain in the arse ones each corner, and there's ones at the bottom corners as well down here, Allen key fittings, and then it should start coming off. But there'll obviously be other things. There's still this air pipe here I need to take out as well, so we'll do that next. So I think that'll be my next update. I'll show you that. Okay, thanks.